Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video and we'll talk soon.
Not like that one, but something different. We're going to use some other beads over here. And there is a market here that, a lot of people generally go to. And when I tell you it was nobody in that store the other day, it was nobody in that store. I have never seen that store empty like that. And I was just like, see, this is a lot going on. This is a lot going on. I'm going to use this bead right here. I don't know if I got these at Joann's or Michael's, but I got them at one of the stores. And I got, is it four that comes on a strand? Maybe four or five. I don't know. But I know I got some more of them around here because I use two maybe. But these are just some really pretty beads. So we're going to use this bead as the focal. This is really pretty. A lot going on, a lot going on. Oh, let me see. What do I want to use as? Oh, we got some glass beads right here, the square ones. And then you got people talking about boycotting different stores and all that other kind of stuff. You boycott one store and go to another store, chances are that store is umbrella under the owner of the store that you're boycotting. So either way, you can't win for losing. I think I'm going to put these like that. I think I'm going to do this like this. Let's see if we want to do this. Or do I want to put, let's see something. I don't think I want to put these right here. Let's try a couple of these small beads first. I was just like, it's just a lot going on and people already getting stressed out and worried about stuff and all that madness. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. That's pretty. And then I think we'll put the glass beads on here. Yeah, I think I like it that way. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty. That looks real pretty. And then we'll use another. Actually, we'll start using the bigger beads. Let's see what that looks like, and then that will determine how we'll start beating it. And I do like that. Oh yeah, I like that. And then we'll go ahead and use another small bead. Use another bigger bead. These remind me of like summertime. These beads right here with the colors. Oh, and then we finally got rain in California. At least my part of the state, in the city anyway. It rained, was it late Saturday night? I want to say late Saturday night. And then it rained on Sunday. Rained on Sunday. And I don't think it rained this morning. But we did finally get rain. I know LA got some rain too, and I was reading that there was some mudslides. So it's almost like you can't win for losing. If it ain't one thing, it's something else. How about we can't win? How about we can't lose for winning? I'm gonna start saying that we can't lose for winning. That's what I'm gonna start saying. We can't lose for winning. Oh my God, that's pretty. We can't lose for winning. Look how pretty that is. We can't lose for winning. That's pretty. Oh yeah, that's real pretty. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and tie this one down. Does not take a lot for bracelets, that's for sure. I can go ahead and take pictures of these and then put these on a couple of websites. the images and also the product. Okay. And this is not a real big hold on this bracelet, so I'm not going to make them too big, just enough. Find the biggest hole I can pull this through. So that'll be on this side. Like that. Oh yeah, this is real pretty. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Do I want to put a, let's put a charm on here too. Just a nice little small charm, nothing too big. Just something that matches it. Maybe this one. This looks like it'll match real well. So I'm gonna put it right here. And then that's what we got. Pretty, right? Look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. Really, really pretty. Very pretty. So we got two really pretty bracelets we went ahead and made. These can be worn together too. Worn together or one on one arm, one wrist, and then one on the other wrist. Just be showing out, right? Showing out. Very pretty. These can even be, if the beads were smaller, they could even be what's them, anklets. They could even be anklets. Maybe not bigger beads like these right here, but maybe smaller beads that are like this. Even like this little decoration, it could maybe have a piece like this, and then all the other beads would be very small, or even this piece, and then have a lot of small, maybe 4 or 6 millimeter beads, and then the focal would be a bigger part around the ankle. I've seen some anklets that are pretty huge in size, but I really like the way these came out. These are really pretty. You guys let me know what you think.